The following dramatic reading is from an actual comment thread from Katy Perry's Firework. Welcome to YouTube Comment Theater.
Asterix claps Asterix. Finally good grammar.
Pathetic person?
What the is wrong with you?
You are a pathetic person.
Oh, here it is. You're just jealous that I am Egyptian, just turned 12 yesterday, and speak better English than you.
I really couldn't care less. Do you really think as a 17-year-old I'm jealous of a 12-year-old bedwetting little boy? Please, grow up and live happily ever after in your Egyptian sandbox.
Lol, I'm not even gonna reply to that. Sandbox, lol. You never heard of other countries, lol.
You live in sand.
Sure, bro. In sand. With a computer.
I'm not your bro. And yes, you live in sand because if you didn't know yet, there's wireless internet called Wi-Fi, so you can live in sand.
Yeah. What am I gonna use if I live in sand? I won't have a phone. Why are you so stupid?
You have AIDS.